Welcome to another episode of Guides and Tutorials. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to get textures like this, which isn't easy in ChatGPT. Now this is an unedited one. As you can see, the grid lines have overlapped on the image, so I would have to use Photoshop to clean those up, but on these sides it hasn't, so it would be easy to go around with the lasso tool and cut those out. Over here as well I'd have to do some cleaning up, but I kind of like this texture, and as well I would be taking these people out with the Photoshop generative tool, but that's quite easy to do. That's a technique that's easy to do. So you can see how I generated this, which is this topic for this video, the 3D modeling style. As you can see, it took me a few generations, and then finally it got me this one, and I said, what, that was perfect, what do I need to ask to do this? And it's told me here, which is facade texture, or facade or facade texture, and also side on. So as you can see, we've typed in give me another texture for the inside of a coffee shop, and it hasn't brought back an ideal one, so I'm going to just, actually I think this is the best one, the side on texture. Let's just see, make it the same specs but a side on facade texture. It might take a little minute, but of course it's always worth it for the time that it does take, because oh, there we go. So there's another one that isn't worked that well at all, so it's not 100% foolproof. Right, that doesn't make much sense. Give me a side on, and then I'm asking for front facing. But let's see, sometimes a bit confusion can help ChatGPT, I notice. So let's see what it makes of this request. I know what I'm going to ask for next time, so let's see. Right, that's better. That's a good one, actually. That could be easy to do, and you could remove the side objects from the landscape and just have up to the side of the building for that one. So yeah, that's quite a good one. I'm not going to save that one, but it's definitely one that you could use if you wanted to. So hope you found that useful. The next thing I was going to write was that I was going to say for use in 3D modeling projects and architectural visualizations and front facing. So that's the only other thing that I would have tried to get another texture, but I'm not going to try anymore. You can have a go with ChatGPT yourself, or whatever AI image generator you like to use. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you can, like this video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.